Hi guys, Zori Mori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another exciting unboxing at Sezane again, for which I'm really excited. I got few things from their pre-spring collection, 2 pairs of sandals and 1 maxi dress to be exact. So I can't wait to open the boxes and try everything on. But before that, please, if you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. It will mean the world to me. Thank you. And now let's open the boxes. All right, here they are. These are my boxes, and if you've watched my previous videos from Sezane, you probably see a repeating theme where I have 2 boxes. And the reason about that is I usually, when they have a collection drop, I have like 1 or 2 usually tops that I really want, and I rush to get them before they sell out. And in this pre-spring collection, I was really wanting the maxi dress, which is this box here. So I got online, I got the maxi dress and checked out, and I was like, okay, I'm done. But then I saw they brought back, this is the second box, they brought back these shoes that I really wanted last year, but they sold out really quickly. So now they're back and they have multiple colors of them. So I ordered a pair because they're low heel and very classic looking. And because they had a lot of options, I got a second pair just in case. I really need like a core low heel sandal for this summer, and I thought it's a good time to buy it because people are still not quite into a summer shopping state of mind. So I thought, you know, they're not like selling out now, I should get them. So here they are. I really love the Ciao Bella stickers on the boxes because the collection is inspired by Italy. And let's open them. First off, we have the Bella maxi dress, and you can see the box inside has this lovely print, and they had these tote bags that you get for free with your pre-spring purchase while supplies last. I don't know if they still have them, but chances are if you buy a piece, you will still be able to get it. They had like 4 different designs. You cannot pick the pattern. This is the pattern that I got, and I'm quite happy with it. Very beautiful. But here is the star. This is the Bella maxi dress. Okay, let me show you the pattern. So the moment I saw this dress on their Instagram, I just knew that it will sell out immediately, and that's why I stayed. Usually their collection launches on Sundays at like 9:30 a.m. French time, Paris time, which in San Francisco is like after midnight, but I try to stay up if there's something that I really want. In this case was this dress. I absolutely love it. The material, you know, on the pictures, sometimes on the pictures you can't really tell when you look on their website. Like I wasn't able to tell that the dress had this like really nice, wait, that's like, it has this like really nice linen texture. But when I looked it on the website, it did not really show that texture. I'm really happy that in real life it's even nicer than I thought. The dress is made out of 55% linen and 45% cotton, and it was made in a small atelier. Guess where? In Bulgaria. Bulgaria is my home country, so I was like super stoked when I saw that they're supporting, you know, like the economy can be rough at times, so it means a lot that they're bringing jobs to my home country. So thank you, Sezane. And the dress is made impeccably. I got the size 34. So you can see, I'll also do like a try on. If you don't want to hear me talk about the items, just fast forward to the try on. But basically, it has a little bit like a Western vibe because you can see like it has a pattern in the center and all of the bottom, but then the sleeves are white with like a very subtle detail only towards your wrist. It's also kind of like the sleeve is gathered here on top, and it does have like a little bit of volume because it's gathered around your wrist as well. But yeah, overall super happy with this dress. It's beautiful. It has like a boho, like 70s vibe, and because it's like made of this nice linen material, I can totally see it being dressed up for the shoulder seasons. So it's not only a spring or summer, it can be a fall dress as well. I mean, honestly, in a mild winter you can also wear it. Okay, this is the dress. It is currently sold out. However, I had seen it come back to the website, so I'm gonna put the link in the description of the video. Don't give up, keep trying, because you know, people order and then they try it and then they send it back. So if you really like it, I'm sure if you're persistent, I mean, I'm not sure you'll get it, but if you're persistent, you still have chance to get it. Okay, this is the Bella dress. Okay, so I took the shoes out of the big box because I'm having a hard time holding it. So let's do one by one. I'm gonna start with the pink box, which, by the way, I love the boxes. I have a bag from Sezane that arrived in this box, and I use it to store things in it because it's really cute. It has a lot of structure. So this is the design that was available last year and I wasn't able to get then. It's called the Gloria sandal. This, let me show you. It's called the Gloria sandal in the camel color. These shoes were released and also in gold and black, in blue, and based on Sezane's Instagram, they're coming in pink. So if you're a lover of pink, wait a little bit and you'll be able to get them. So here are the shoes. They are made out of velvet leather. This is the design I love. The great news is, if you're not a heel person, like, this is not a high heel, this is their lowest heel. It's 3 inches, aka 8 centimeters. But this design is now available in a flat. So if you prefer the flats, I'm gonna link them also. Even though I didn't get them, I can't show them to you. They're exactly the same, like the same top, but like absolutely flat. I'm gonna put the link in the comments below. But yeah, it has, these shoes are made in Portugal, handmade. This whole strapping thing is made by hand, and they have like this cute, very elegant ankle strap. It's just very feminine, and I thought it will go well with a lot of the dresses I wear when I'm on vacation. And for me, the 3-inch heel, I can wear it for like a day. It's not like gonna be that bad, I think, because everything above that I will have to like bring a backup pair of flats. But I think this I can tolerate for a day, and it's really cute, very feminine. I can't wait to try it. I was really torn between the camel color and the gold color, but after evaluating everything I own, I thought the brown will just be like way more in line with the aesthetic of my summer dresses. The gold has like this pop, it's very fun. However, I do think that in certain situations, having like a metallic sandal instead of like this, almost like, you know, it's like very like creates a harmony with my skin color. If I have a metallic, in certain situations it just won't sit. It won't have like the same vibe that I'm like striving to create. But other than that, absolutely love these. And then the other pair I got, all right, this one I don't know how to pronounce the name. I'm gonna give it a try. I think it's a French pronunciation, and I think it's pronounced Cyrielle. So these are the Cyrielle sandals. They are leather and they're made in Spain. Also, the detailing you'll see on top, the crisscrossing, is made by hand. Okay, it's the heritage, let's see, it's the heritage camel color. I love brown for shoes and generally avoid black. I think brown matches my color palette better. They also come in gold, but again, I felt like gold sometimes has like a different vibe. Okay, here are the sandals. As I said, they're made out of made out of vegetable tan leather in Spain. You can see the crisscrossing. They're just like super timeless silhouette. They remind me of the Dolce Vita in Italy. Very beautiful element at the back. Height wise, they are, I think, let me see. They are, I think, just a little bit over 3-inch. Let me see. I have to level them so I don't create the wrong. They're either 3-inch or maybe 3-point little bit. So I think the height is well with me. I think it's just high enough to give your leg that really nice silhouette, but not too high to really kill you for walking in them for longer than an hour. And my goal is to keep only one of these 2 pairs and send the other one back, just because I think overall for this year I'm trying to be really selective and pick the more versatile thing, like piece that I really love and then I wear on repeat. So I'm gonna try, although I really love both, after trying them on, I'm gonna try to decide and keep only one. Currently I'm leaning towards the Gloria because I've been thinking about them since last year. Okay, so these are the 3 items I got from the pre-spring collection. Let's try them on. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. Please consider subscribing, it will mean the world to me, and leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and see you next time.